Welcome to our comparison of the AIRMSEN and Gudsunal countertop dishwashers. Today, we will dive into the features and specifications of these two popular models. The AIRMSEN countertop dishwasher boasts a larger capacity and multiple wash cycles, while the Gudsunal offers portability and a unique preservation function. Let's see how they stack up against each other in various categories. The AIRMSEN countertop dishwasher offers a larger capacity, accommodating up to 5 place settings, making it suitable for larger households. In contrast, the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher, while still functional, has a smaller capacity but is designed to fit more than 30 sets of tableware, making it ideal for compact living spaces. When it comes to pricing, the AIRMSEN countertop dishwasher is priced at $399, which reflects its larger capacity and features. On the other hand, the Gudsunal portable countertop dishwasher is more budget-friendly at $329, making it a great option for those looking for an affordable yet efficient solution. The AIRMSEN model comes equipped with advanced features such as a built-in water tank, multiple wash cycles, and a powerful drying function. Meanwhile, the Gudsunal model stands out with its unique preservation function, which helps keep dishes fresh, along with a detachable water tank for easy portability. In conclusion, both the AIRMSEN and Gudsunal countertop dishwashers have their unique advantages. The AIRMSEN is perfect for larger households needing more capacity and advanced features, while the Gudsunal is ideal for those seeking portability and affordability. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.